Today we're going to talk about first hands-on impressions of this new Magsafe battery pack.
Magsafe is not made of that silicone material that Apple has used for cases in the past, but instead it's actually a hard plastic. I think that's much better for when you're putting it in your pocket. It doesn't get filled with dirt or grime from your pocket or any pocket that you might have. So in my opinion it's a much safer option. But I do think this white color will show any scuffs or scratches way more than a darker color, so I kind of wish there were some other color options too.
Because it is a hard plastic, it does lack a little bit of grip. I mean, it's kind of slippery if you're holding it from the battery pack. You got to be careful, but I don't think anybody's going to hold it like that. It's also a pretty strong magnet, it doesn't seem to be falling out. Even if I shake it, it's gonna be fine. Now there's some other interesting things to note. You do need the newest version of iOS, which just came out. It's iOS 14.7. When you attach the battery pack to a phone running iOS 14.7, you'll see the Magsafe animation appear just like any other Magsafe accessory. And there's also a notification stating that the battery pack charging my iPhone. You can also reverse charge the battery pack. Now this is achieved by when you plug in a lightning cable into the bottom of your iPhone, you can charge both devices at the same time. In case you missed it, there is a way to charge the battery pack separately on the bottom. Here there is a lightning port, and next to that is an LED light signifying that you plugged your cable. The Magsafe battery pack can charge at about 5 watts, which is very slow. But when you plug it in, it can charge at up to 15 watts. Of course this is a Magsafe compatible accessory, so you can use this on any Magsafe compatible phone. Which right now is the entire iPhone 12 lineup, and yes, that obviously includes the iPhone 12 mini. Though this battery pack will take up the entire back of the iPhone 12 mini. Or at least from underneath the camera module down. But it's like from width to width of the iPhone, it takes up the whole thing. But it does take the iPhone 12 mini a bit more attractive to use in my opinion. Since one of the main downsides is the poor battery life in comparison to the larger devices. Now it is also a Qi wireless charger by design, so it can of course work with any phone that accepts Qi wireless charging.